New construction, buyers can still select the cabinets and flooring. Country living. Finished staged home can be shown until the end of November. Fabulous open floor plan, beautifully appointed kitchen west/granite, quartz countertops, cabinets to include soft close drawers, doors, all stainless steel appliances, stove, dishwasher, microwave and French door refrigerator. Family room west/fireplace, dining room, mudroom area off the garage, powder room and laundry on the first floor of the home. The primary bedroom has a huge walk-in closet and incredible ensuite with a separate soaking tub, tiled shower west/double shower heads, double bowls vanity and private water closet. 3 additional bedrooms, full hall bath, west/double bowl vanity, all on the second floor. Large covered patio in the rear of the home, 2-car garage west/opener and a generator plug. New deepwater well and septic. Builder offering 2% CCA west/use of the preferred settlement agent. Completion January 2023.